Smart tutorials. Make a little deer ornament. Materials: straight pins, felt in 5 colors, light pink, dark pink, black, ivory, and blue, plus 1 thicker white sheet, needle and thread in black and white, scissors, a jingle bell. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue instead. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. You can use straight pins to secure the pattern shapes to the felt, then cut around the outlines. Use the thick white felt for the pieces on the left side. Start to sew. Use white thread except where indicated. Sew the heart pieces to the heart backing. Use small closed stitches around the edges of the shapes. Sew the eyes. Stack the eye pieces as shown. Then use black thread to sew through the layers along the dotted line. Leave all the other edges loose. Sew the features to the face. To attach the eyes, use white thread to sew the highlight in the center, tacking the eye to the face. Sew the features to the body. Start with the tail, spots, and chest. For the hooves, use black thread, then sew on the collar. Sew the white strap to the back of the white backing. Sew the little deer to the front of the white backing. Sew on the body first, then sew on the face, and lastly, the heart. The final touch is to sew on the bell. And you're done!